What's up, guys? We are going to Iowa trying to catch some wipers. We got the family back here, the wife and the kiddo. We are stopped at the Pilot J on some 35W. So yeah, we're gonna head down there. We got about like 2 hours left. We're gonna hit the Walmart and then yeah, we'll get catching fish. See you guys there. Alright guys, we made it to this house. This is our rental for the weekend. Got some bonfire and I'll catch you guys when we get in the inside. Oh, take a look at this house. Good chair for my son. Hey, this is a pretty good house. I like this. Rung light. Oh, look at that fish. So cool. Look at that. Then we got a little fireplace. Oh, we got a deer mounted right there. That's dope. Here's one of the bedrooms. Dang, this place is cool as hell. Wow, they got a nice full-size bathroom. I'm taking this bathroom. Look at this, got a tub and everything in here. Alright, we're taking this room, honey. Next to the fridge. We are gonna get unloaded in the house and then we're gonna head down to the lake and we're gonna go catch some fish. That middle right there, that middle part, just toss in there. Oh.
You just lost my shit, bro.
I lost your jig.
How you do that?
I don't know.
How that work?
I let go of it already. It's a knot didn't. Yeah.
I don't know, reel you in. I was like deep. Like just reel all the way up. Reel.
It's a big one.
There we go. See, keep it up. Rock tip up. And let it fight if it's gonna fight. Unless you have fucking like straight up. There you go. Nice. Yes. Bad net man. There you go.
Thank you. Finally, shit.
Now you know how I wipe my head, right?
No, it was like, tuk, 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 tuk. I was like, oh, what the hell is going on?
That's how I wipe my head.
Damn, he hella swallowed it too.
They hit hard.
Stop being a little dude. No. You're gonna cut my finger, dude. Stop trying to bite my finger, dude. Give me my hook back. No, I'm not getting this one back.
Any pliers?
I got pliers. I need to get the hook though. Woo! First wiper, dude. Crazy. Got my first wiper. Huh? Easy money. Thank you, Chuka, for the nudge. What about hair jig? Oh.
Try it all. Yep, if you're hungry enough, they will bite. Oh my god, guys, I saw the bite too. They're so finicky. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh. Did you actually get a fish or is
Chuka!
Oh shit! Both got the same one, bro. We got the same one. Oh shit!
Are you stuck on my line or?
Oh my bad!
Oh, told you the Karashi just works.
Work? Anything, I guess.
Dude!
There's a bashishi right there.
What do you want me to do with it?
That's fish, man.
Dude, I didn't even think it was gonna bite this bait. It's not even meant for white bass. My problem, my route almost went out my hand.
I don't know what I was stuck on. I was looking at YouTube though. You got stuck on one too? Damn.
It's a funny bait, but it works. Oh, successful.
Yeah?
Tried to bait and it worked. That's 2 fish. Oh, that's a white bass sweat at it. What the fuck? It works. It's like the smallest bait that I have. That's a hard bait that's in my box. What? Huh? Oh. The darting action on this is insane. Maybe they want it constantly. Let me try. Maybe they want it constantly.
Oh, that's crazy. I saw it too.
Bro, we just found your secret bait. Now keep at it.
Subsurface.
It's like mid subsurface.
Let's go, baby.
Yeah, finally.
Ow! Ah!
That's what you did.
That's what I told you. Shimano, you got the rooster tail.
You like that? You like that? They just want they want that jerk though.
Heavy one. Or one small heavy one.
Oh. Fire, baby!
You got a light one?
I can't give this bait to nobody. It's my white bass, mini white bass bait. You like that, Chuka?
Now you finally found.
I found the bait that works. Alright guys, we are done with today. We're cooking up some steaks right now for dinner. We got a few more steaks to cook left. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in day 2 video. And yeah, we'll catch you guys later. Peace!